Hey, welcome to sound number 4. That's right, the G sound. Again, the G sound. Now, let me explain how to make this sound. A lot of this sound happens inside your mouth, in the back of your mouth where you can't really see. But basically, what's happening is in the back of your mouth, the back portion of your tongue is touching the roof of your mouth. So it's not the tip of your tongue. It's literally the back portion touching the roof of your mouth. And it makes it sound like this. G. G. It's almost like you're trying to stop your throat, like to block your throat a little bit. G. Think about when you're drinking. G, 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 g. Portions of your tongue start to block your throat, right? That's how you make the G sound. So again, after me, G. Excellent. All right, now let's jump into some beginner vocabulary words and see how they use the sound G.